Hello and welcome to part 17 of SAP RAP uh, app- transactional app development using managed scenario. So we have so far uh, actually considered all the scenarios that comes with SAP RAP in my previous many videos, and today I am trying to actually create a video for you guys how you can actually utilize your SAP RAP data in your Fiori application. So what we will be going to do is we will be looking into how we can utilize this in SAP Business Application Studio called SAP BAS. Okay. So I will walk you through how you can install your Business Application Studio on your BTP and then utilize this BTP to create a project that will actually use the Business Application Studio to create a Fiori application that can then be used in your Fiori Launchpad or SAP Build Work Zone. If you have uh, a, a, a private cloud which is actually connected to S4, you can actually do that same thing in your S4 HANA using Visual Studio Code as well by installing a plugin there. Now, I will walk you through. I will not be able to actually show you all the things step by step here because some of the uh, uh, installation takes some time, right? So whatever right from the basic, I will try to explain you, okay, so that you people know what you have to actually do in your BTP trial account in order for you to uh, do your setup and utilize your SAP RAPO data in our uh, Fiori applications. The transactional app that we have developed, sorry to say, but my account was deleted, and that was the reason I had to recreate my account and everything. So all the code is gone. So for you, I have actually what I have done is I have created um, SAP RAP read-only app again, which was easier to actually create, and I will be using that. So let us now first understand, what we have to, uh, what we have developed. Okay, so let me go to Eclipse now first and show you uh, what what I have done. Okay, so let me go to Eclipse and what I have done is I have created this particular uh, application, which is a read-only application. And now you can see it all has a preview button here, which will take us to the preview. And this is the application that we already had. Application that we had here, right? This application, as usual, everything you can see here. This same application we will be using in our SAP BAS. Now let us go to our SAP business app in our uh, BTP cockpit. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to log in onto your BTP cockpit. Let me show you that as well. Okay, so I am into my SAP BTP where you see that okay, I have created a sub account here, which is again a new one. The trial, this is a trial account, and in this trial account, we need to actually go and configure some of the things. And the first thing that we need to configure is SAP Business Application Studio. If you go to your trial home, you can actually click from here, or you can go to your trial account and go to your trial account, and then in your instances and subscription, you have to actually go and uh, install or subscribe to this particular SAP Business Application Studio, and that application will be actually added here. So you might have should be able to see that, okay, I have actually added build work zone as well as SAP Business Application Studio. Now, first thing that I would like to show you here is that how we can actually go and do this whole setup here. So what you have to do is you have to go to your uh, the main account, okay, the global account, and from the entity assignment, okay, you should check whether the entity that service is given to it, yes or no. So what you have to do, you have to come here, select your sub account, and then you should search here business application studio. Okay, if it is not there, then you should go and add here using the edit, and then add a service plan. And in the service plan, you should actually search for whatever service that you want to go and add to your particular sub account. And that you can do by searching here. You see ABAP environment is there, which is already been taken off. Similarly, I will say business application studio. If I click here, this is also been taken already. So I've just added that. And then once it is added here, let me cancel this quickly. And then in the service assignment also, you can come here and check whether that service is assigned here or not. Okay, so you see business application studio is there here, it's limited. Now how we have done is there are two ways of doing it, guys. First you check, and let me just also show you here something nothing called work zone. You see this work zone. Now this work zone cannot be gone and added because it comes with a package of three application: build app, build work zone, and one more. Okay, so now how we have to do is first go and check whether there is any booster, yes or no, on the global account. Booster is nothing but uh, as you can see, there is a booster. You don't need to go and create your trial account by going to account explorer and click and everything. You can actually click this and it will create an instance for you with a service key. Everything will be done. So these kind of boosters they have already given. And for build work zone, we will have to actually go and use get started with SAP build apps that will actually create the build work zone as well. Similarly, you can go and actually check for business studio, business application studio BAS, and you see there is nothing there. In this scenario, you cannot go and use the booster. So what you have to do is you have to go to your trial account, and in your trial account, in your service marketplace, okay, or in your, you can go and search from here also business applications studio, and then click on this three dot and you say create. Now since I have already created, it is not allowing me to create one more time, but if you create that, that will be added to your trial account. And if you go to your instances and subscription, okay, from here or from here, it's one and the same thing. You will see that business application studio is now added to your thing. I have also run the booster for build app, and it has actually gone and added build apps and build work zone also. Okay, with the cloud identity service there. Now, how to execute business application studio? You can click from here, or you can go to trial home, and the trial home also has the link there. Once you click on this link, a different window will be opened for you, wherein it will show you the uh, business application studio that you have actually gone and um added. Okay, so first thing that we should actually go and do is that you should actually go and create your dev space. Okay, something called a development space, and this has nothing to do with the development space of our sub account. Okay, when we go to our sub account, it also has a development uh, a dev space there, which is by general it is dev. It is called as dev, but you can go and create it. You see here, I have created my own space. And this space is not the same as this space. Huh? This space is a business application studio space or a folder that will be created, and that we can use to actually save all our folders too. So let me go and create a dev space here. I am saying ms, and there is no dot here that is allowed. It is always underscore. So I will say ms sap tutorials, and this time I have to create a Fiori application. There are many other things also. You see mobile applications, you can choose whatever is needed, and then for us it is sap Fiori development that we have to do, and you say create dev space. As soon as you say create dev space, what it will do is it will start uh, creating that. Okay, and once it is created, it will also go and start the application, start the dev space for you. Once it is started, so next time when you come, when you go there, if you see this one, you have to click this button, which will be a start button. Now it is not a start button because it is already clicked. Okay, and that start button will actually start the service here, and this service will actually take some time. Okay, meanwhile what you can I will want to show you is that you might have seen that there is on our eclipse. Let's go to eclipse, and in our uh, uh, service binding, you see there is a create Fiori project also. And as you remember, I have so told that okay, if you actually set this up, you can go and directly create a Fiori app from here by connecting to your business application studio. So if I click here now, you see that external ID is not configured. So please go and configure here, and this one will take us to ABAP IDE configuration, wherein you can actually go and set up your IDE by clicking configure external ID, and my dev space is ms underscore sap underscore tutorials. Okay, and this destination name is already created on our SAP BTP account. Let me show you that as well quickly. And that we have to go to our uh, Google, and in my Google I will show you where it is been created. It will be here as our instance and subscription. So there is already an instance created, okay, which is which is where is it? I think it will be somewhere in our main account. Oh, sorry, in main, no, in our trial account and in our destinations. So a destination, when we actually create that ABAP instance, one destination will be created here. You see, this is the destination that has been created, SAP Build Apps Runtime. This has been created, that I am going and adding here. And I say apply and close. Okay. Now, if you see, let us come back to our to our uh, dev space now. Okay. And let us see if the dev space is there. Yes, it is running now. So I will go into it, and now our business application studio is ready. Setup is done, ready for use now. So once you start the business application studio, first time it will actually configure, and it will install all the necessary uh, uh, DLLs, or things that the business application studio needs, and then it will actually give you an IDE that will be used in order to um, for us to go and do the development. Now, whatever IDE that you will see here, right? You can actually see the same IDE getting started with SAP Business Application Studio, uh, create a new project and stuff like that. You can actually go and okay, this you can cancel or say okay. And you see, we have finished all installing all the tools and templates. So enjoy your work. This whole thing is also available when you go and install that plugin for Business Application Studio in Visual Studio Code also. So the thing that we are going to do here will be applicable in Visual Studio Code as well, guys. Okay. I'm showing you using Business Application Studio, but sometimes if you are using S4, they will not go with development for BAS. They might use Visual Studio Code. So there also it will be applicable. Okay, so now let us go and create a new project from template. So you can click on this particular link, or you can go to, before you actually go, okay, let us go and uh, log into our Cloud Foundry. Okay, here it's a Cloud Foundry. So you can go from here, or you can actually click here. You say view and you say command palette. Okay, and then here you say Cloud Foundry, log into Cloud Foundry. Okay, CF, log into Cloud Foundry. This is what you have to do first, so that you can actually log into your Cloud Foundry, and then using that Cloud Foundry, you can go and create your application. Now you see here, it always asks for a credential or it asks for a SSO. You can actually go and create your SSO also, generate a SSO that will give you a temporary SSO for you. Just sign in with your identity provider, click on that, and then copy this and come back here again, and then enter your SSO and say sign in. Once you are signed in, you have been signed into your Cloud Foundry. Now this will give you your Cloud Foundry organization detail, which is already been created as an instance, and it will also allow you to select your dev space. Now my dev space is only one, so I am just clicking this, and now that has been uh, uh, has been set now. And now you can go and either create a template from this click, or there is no point in going like this also. View command palette, there is a search here. You can, if you click on this also, it will take you to whatever you have done. So it is like previously it was Fiori colon um, new project from template. Okay, now this is actually moved to BAS. So you say greater than Business Application Studio, and in your Business Application Studio, okay, create an empty project. You see, create project from template. You can go and do it this way also. It is one and the same thing. You click here or you click here, one and the same thing. Okay, I'm clicking here this time now. So this is how you can go and create your project from a template in your Business Application Studio. Okay, so it will actually take us to our start of our project, where we go and select what we have to go and do it. Right now, this time I am not going and doing it from here. So since this is actually taking more time here, okay, I would like to stop here, because then we can actually continue from here on how to create. Hope you people by then will be able to install your own SAP Fiori subscription. And in the next episode, probably we will start with our Fiori development, because the video is getting more um, lengthy now. So requesting you to please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Share it, hit the bell icon, so that it will be shared to, you will get a notification, and keep sharing, do like, so that other people can also get benefited. And thanks for all those good comments, your contacts to me. I am trying to help you guys by getting into uh, a call with you guys and trying to help you. Whatever maximum I can do, I can try to help you guys during my weekend, as I am also working somewhere with my project deliverables. So hope you understand and give me the like, share, and subscribe there. With that, thank you and happy learning.